everyone, Anke here with a new layout and process video for HipKit Club featuring the November 2024 HipKits. Today I'll create a Christmas layout with interactive elements using the November kits and some of our exclusive metal dies. First I cut out leaves and branches from the Essential Solids Mistletoe and Spruce cardstock, both included in the November cardstock kit, and from white cardstock using the November 2024 Winter Floral Metal die set. Then I color the white die cuts with the Lindy's Shabby Turbine Teal Starburst spray from the October color kit. I cut out my photo using the November 2024 Snowflake Mitten metal die set. Now I cut out the pieces of the mittens from red and white cardstock and I glue everything together with my photo inside. And finally I add pieces of fabric from my stash. I make 3 mittens with Christmas photos of my dogs. Then I fussy cut little houses, trees and cars from the Mistletoe Memories Better to Give paper and cut out flowers from the poinsettia, blush and bright cardstock, all included in the November cardstock kit. I can start with my layout. I place the mittens with the photos inside on my page and add the die cut leaves, branches and flowers. When I found the perfect arrangement, I adhere everything. start embellishing the page with my fussy cut elements. I also add some die cuts from the cardstock ephemera pack, which is included in the November main kit. And I add some hand stitching. Continue embellishing the layout with some chipboard die cuts and some of the chipboard flare stickers, both included in the November embellishment kit. I fussy cut some flowers from the Merry and Bright paper and add them to my page. I also add some puffy stickers and some of the glittery star epoxy stickers, all included in the November embellishment kit. I finish with the Nuvo Holly Berry Jewel Drops, which you can find in the November color kit. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.